Welcome to Daily AI Brief, your go-to podcast for the latest and greatest in AI advancements. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking releases that are shaping the future of AI development and deployment. From new models and platforms to innovative frameworks and agents, there's plenty to cover. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just curious about the tech world, today's episode will keep you informed about the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Liquid AI has launched two compelling new models in the AI space: the LFM 2.5 encoder 230M and LFM 2.5 encoder 350M. These bidirectional encoders are making waves by handling long text contexts efficiently, even on CPUs, which is a significant achievement considering the computational constraints typically associated with such tasks. Let's delve into the architecture of these models. The LFM 2.5 encoder series employs a sophisticated hybrid design that combines gated short convolutions with grouped query attention blocks. These architectural elements are not just technical jargon. They are critical to why the models can maintain high performance without the computational overhead that typically bogs down traditional transformer-based architectures. The combination allows for processing longer text snippets without significant slowdowns, making them adept at managing up to 8,192 tokens simultaneously. From a performance standpoint, the LFM 2.5 230M demonstrates impressive metrics by achieving 213 tokens per second on high-end mobile processors like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. On more economical systems, such as the Raspberry Pi 5, it still manages 42 tokens per second, making it versatile across various hardware platforms. Such efficiency is made possible by the models having been robustly pre-trained on datasets ranging from 10 trillion to 28 trillion tokens. This extensive pre-training ensures they can handle a diverse array of applications, from real-time data extraction to other demanding tasks. Despite their efficiencies, these models have certain limitations. They might struggle with tasks demanding substantial reasoning or complex problem-solving capabilities like code generation. This is crucial for developers to consider, particularly in high-stakes applications. Additionally, the absence of a clearly defined long-term maintenance or support strategy adds an element of risk, suggesting that these models might be best suited for specific, well-understood applications rather than broad deployments. For those interested in exploring these models, they are readily available on platforms like Hugging Face, where developers can fine-tune them to fit specific needs. Additionally, Liquid AI offers a user-friendly online playground where these models can be tested in real-world scenarios, allowing for hands-on exploration of their capabilities. In summary, the release of LFM 2.5 encoder 230M and LFM 2.0 encoder 350M marks a potential shift in how AI models can be utilized in environments with limited resources. Their open-weight nature facilitates a high degree of customization, paving the way for innovations in applications that require rapid inference and minimal memory consumption. With these tools, Liquid AI is advancing the field, setting new standards for performance and efficiency in edge computing scenarios. Fireworks AI recently unveiled Fireworks Nexus, a groundbreaking platform aimed at tackling the escalating costs associated with AI deployments through strategic task routing. This is particularly crucial for companies whose AI expenditures are skyrocketing, like Uber, which reportedly exhausted its AI budget for 2026 within the first 4 months. Fireworks Nexus is projected to enable potential savings of over 50% by routing coding tasks based on their complexity, making efficient use of open-weight models. At the heart of Fireworks Nexus is its smart routing capability, accompanied by a serverless architecture that ensures each task is matched with the most appropriate model. This setup is especially advantageous when integrating with open-weight models, as the platform supports over 200 of them. These models allow for flexibility and do not tie users to specific vendors, offering a significant strategic advantage for businesses seeking cost-effective AI deployments. One of the defining technical edge of Fireworks Nexus is its latency efficiency. With serverless inferences clocking in under 200 milliseconds, the platform is capable of delivering swift responses even under demanding operational conditions. This level of performance is essential for companies looking to maintain service quality while optimizing costs. Fireworks AI's strong market presence and financial backing support the viability of Fireworks Nexus. Bolstered by a $1.5 billion Series D funding round, the company is valued at $17.5 billion, underscoring market confidence in their innovative approach to AI cost management. While the platform promises substantial cost reductions, careful implementation is critical to realizing these benefits. The efficacy of serverless architecture in various industry scenarios requires further validation. Moreover, the reliability of open-weight models in routine operations becomes a decisive factor in long-term success. For those interested in exploring the capabilities of Fireworks Nexus, a wealth of resources is available. The official Fireworks Nexus blog /fireworks.ai/blog/fireworks-nexus.umsource-openai provides detailed insights, while hands-on experience can be gained through serverless inference demos and integration documentation available on their site. In a landscape where efficient AI cost management can make or break a project, Fireworks AI is paving the way with tools designed to streamline workflows and optimize expenses effectively. As organizations strive to balance innovation with fiscal responsibility, Fireworks Nexus could play a transformative role in the future of enterprise AI deployment. NVIDIA is redefining healthcare robotics with its cutting-edge medical physics simulation framework, launched in July 2026 as part of the Arize for Healthcare initiative. This groundbreaking platform is set to significantly affect how robotic systems are trained for clinical applications. Traditionally, training sophisticated robotic systems has been a time-intensive process, often requiring over 5 hours per scenario. However, with NVIDIA's innovative use of GPU acceleration, these training times have been slashed to less than 2 minutes. The magic lies in the framework's capacity to run up to 8,192 parallel simulations using NVIDIA's GPUs. This parallelism is crucial in increasing throughput and ensuring diverse anatomical interactions and complexities are adequately captured in the training environment. By leveraging GPU's inherent parallel processing power, NVIDIA ensures that even the most intricate anatomical device interaction scenarios can be replicated multiple times over within a short span, enriching the training dataset and preparing robotic systems for myriad clinical situations. Central to this framework is the seamless integration of classic physics simulation techniques with NVIDIA's Cosmos H Dreams generative AI technologies. This combination facilitates the creation of highly realistic simulations and environments without the need for labor-intensive manual configuration. Developers are empowered to model complex relationships between anatomy and medical devices, promoting more accurate and safer robotic interactions with the human body. Despite its potential, the onus remains on the healthcare robotics community to validate NVIDIA's performance claims independently. The indications are promising, but challenges persist in terms of integrating such advanced technology within existing workflows and systems in healthcare establishments. The framework is open source, encouraging widespread adoption and innovation. Developers interested in leveraging this technology can access setup instructions on the NVIDIA Arize for Healthcare webpage. The framework's GitHub repository offers example scenarios and code snippets, serving as a valuable resource for those keen on exploring the potential of this technology. As NVIDIA continues to pave the way for future healthcare technological innovations, the implications of this framework could be vast. Beyond potentially decreasing operational costs and improving training efficiency, it may catalyze new developments in healthcare robotics. These could manifest as improvements in patient outcomes and operational efficiencies, fostering a new era of AI-driven precision and automation in medical procedures. This initiative could eventually alter healthcare training curricula and drive cross-disciplinary collaborations, marking a significant step forward in integrating robotics into clinical settings. In an era where AI models are tasked with increasingly complex interactions, Anthropic is leading the charge on reliable evaluations. Their recent insights emphasize the insufficiencies of traditional single-turn prompt methods, advocating for more comprehensive evaluation frameworks tailored to multi-turn scenarios common in modern AI. Structured frameworks. The crux of Anthropic's approach lies in structured frameworks. These frameworks specify tasks and success criteria essential for thorough evaluation. By incorporating detailed transcripts of interactions, evaluators can parse both the decisions made by AI agents and the context in which these decisions occur. This enables a deeper understanding of agent behavior beyond simple input-output metrics. Importance of comprehensive evaluations. Anthropic underscores the necessity of multiple assessment trials. Advanced models often demonstrate variability in outputs due to stochastic elements or differing contexts, making single assessments inadequate. By running multiple tests, evaluators can capture a fuller range of possible outcomes, providing a more robust picture of agent capabilities. Technological tools. Key to Anthropic's strategy is their Bloom tool. Designed to automate behavioral evaluations, Bloom enhances safety and reproducibility. While specific latency, cost, or accuracy metrics weren't disclosed, Bloom represents a significant step toward consistent evaluation standards, though its effectiveness in various real-world applications remains under scrutiny. Practical implementation. For developers eager to adopt these methods, integrating Bloom and utilizing available practical guides can refine evaluation processes. While Anthropic's framework offers promise, it also requires evaluators to adapt their strategies, potentially demanding additional training or infrastructure. Balancing innovation and skepticism. While these methods promise enhanced reliability, questions remain about their universal applicability. Automated tools like Bloom inspire optimism but also caution. Their reliability across diverse AI systems still needs rigorous validation. Discomfort may arise around shifting from traditional methods to complex frameworks, and some hesitation persists about the unforeseen risks posed by agent behaviors not extensively tested. Conclusion. In sum, Anthropic's innovative approach is setting new standards for AI evaluation, promising safer and more trustworthy AI deployments. By focusing on detailed, structured assessments and using tools like Bloom, Anthropic not only aims to elevate evaluation quality, but also to foster greater trust in AI applications across sectors. As these methodologies gain traction, the AI industry could see improved standards that enhance both reliability and accountability in AI deployments. IBM is taking a bold step in reshaping how enterprises manage their AI infrastructure with the introduction of AI sovereignty. This new focus shifts from simply owning AI technologies to controlling essential dependencies. This strategic pivot is crucial for maintaining operational integrity in a landscape marked by rapid technological advancement. At the heart of this initiative is the IBM Sovereign Core, a suite of tools designed to provide real-time tracking and automated compliance assessments. These features are pivotal for enterprises aiming to manage AI workloads effectively while adhering to stringent data residency and sovereignty requirements. This need is underscored by a global study from IBM's Institute for Business Value, which found that 68% of executives find it challenging to comply with these requirements. Even more telling, 91% admit to a lack of full understanding of their AI dependencies across vendors, models, and infrastructure. The statistics are compelling. Organizations that have adopted AI sovereignty strategies are able to protect up to 55% more of their operating profit from AI disruptions. This vast potential for operational and financial resilience can offer a significant competitive advantage, particularly in markets where AI-driven decisions are increasingly pivotal. However, there are trade-offs to consider. Efforts to assure AI sovereignty might limit access to state-of-the-art resources, which could potentially hinder innovation and competitiveness in fast-paced industries. Moreover, achieving true sovereignty is complicated by global supply chains and the inherent dependencies on external vendors, which can impede an organization's ability to fully control its AI systems. The implementation of sovereignty measures also varies significantly across different industries and regions, resulting in inconsistencies that can complicate the global AI landscape. These disparities highlight the importance of a consistent and strategic approach to AI governance. For organizations looking to explore this innovative approach, IBM provides several resources. Stakeholders can review IBM's framework for AI sovereignty via their dedicated web page, Evaluate the Sovereign Core product for better AI service governance, and utilize insights from IBM's Institute for Business Value to assess their AI dependencies more comprehensively. IBM's proactive approach to AI sovereignty is designed to enhance operational resilience, thereby positioning enterprises to better navigate the complex demands of today's AI deployment environment. By gaining a more nuanced understanding of their AI dependencies, enterprises can make more informed strategic decisions and achieve a more robust compliance posture. As the landscape continues to evolve, AI sovereignty may well become a cornerstone of enterprise strategy, influencing not just compliance and operational strategies, but potentially driving innovation in how enterprises govern and deploy AI solutions. NVIDIA's recent launch of the NeMo Guardrails toolkit represents a noteworthy advancement in AI safety, particularly for industries bound by strict regulatory standards. This open-source framework empowers developers to establish robust safety checks and content moderation mechanisms in AI-generated code, addressing growing demands for responsible AI deployment. NeMo Guardrails integrates seamlessly with AI applications, leveraging NIM microservices introduced in January 2025. These microservices enhance scalability and safety, allowing for portable and optimized inference. The toolkit's architecture includes programmable guardrails that actively monitor model behavior during processing, ensuring adherence to predefined safety policies. This is accomplished through APIs that enable developers to configure detailed safety checks and enforce regulatory compliance, providing essential layers of protection against harmful outputs. While NVIDIA has not released specific performance benchmarks or cost assessments, the practical utility of NeMo Guardrails lies in its comprehensive approach to safety in sensitive environments. Developers are encouraged to explore the toolkit through NVIDIA's in-depth tutorials and implementation guides available on their developer platform. These resources offer step-by-step walkthroughs for those seeking to deploy coding assistance with enhanced safety capabilities. However, the toolkit's open-source nature can present challenges in terms of support and update frequency, potentially affecting long-term reliance on the platform. Additionally, effective implementation in highly regulated settings may require further validation to ensure all safety measures are adequately met, highlighting a possible area for improvement. By offering NeMo Guardrails, NVIDIA underscores its commitment to advancing AI technology responsibly. This initiative sets new standards in the AI industry, fostering innovation while prioritizing safety and compliance. As enterprises increasingly adopt these tools, there may be a shift towards open-source solutions, spurring further innovations in AI safety protocols and influencing future regulatory landscapes. However, uncertainties remain about the toolkit's effectiveness across diverse regulatory contexts and the balance it strikes between safety and AI creativity. Together, these efforts pave the way for more secure AI applications, enhancing stakeholder trust and potentially reducing the risks associated with harmful AI outputs in production environments. NVIDIA's approach could set a precedent for incorporating safety protocols in AI development, compelling other firms to consider similar safeguards in their technologies, thus elevating industry standards across the board. Introducing Signal, a groundbreaking managed agent developed by Arize AI, aimed at revolutionizing the way software failures are investigated in production environments. Launched in 2026, Signal is meticulously designed to automate the scrutiny of production traces continuously, with the goal of enhancing the reliability of AI systems through innovative AI-driven analytics. As part of Arize's ambitious AI factory vision, Signal serves to create a self-improving ecosystem for AI agents. Key to Signal's capabilities is its use of advanced AI methodologies that empower it to efficiently cluster various types of software failures and pinpoint root causes. By employing techniques such as path evaluations and semantic drift detection, Signal facilitates a continuous improvement loop, streamlining error detection and resolution significantly. These processes not only aim to minimize downtime, but also enhance the overall performance metrics for enterprise applications. While specific numerical benchmarks related to Signal's reliability improvements are pending, its potential impact is substantial. Signal is designed to decrease the time taken for failure investigations, promising more efficient utilization of developer resources and cutting down on operational costs by reducing incident resolution durations. This can be particularly beneficial across sectors where AI integration is pervasive, such as finance or healthcare, where even minor downtimes can translate to significant drawbacks. However, the implementation of Signal does not come without its challenges. Its effectiveness across diverse, real-world environments is yet to be rigorously tested, and there may be difficulties in integrating with pre-existing legacy systems. Moreover, scalability in larger enterprise settings demands further validation. Practically, developers looking to leverage Signal should start by visiting the Signal product page /arize.com/blog/from Signal to PR. What if your agents got better every time they failed where they can find integration tutorials and demos. Engaging with Arize's user community is also recommended for addressing specific implementation challenges and sharing insights. Overall, Signal's introduction could be a game changer for developers and enterprises alike, offering a sophisticated tool that could redefine software reliability through automated error mitigation processes. It embodies a strategic advancement in Arize AI's offerings, emphasizing the growing need for tools that are not just reactive, but proactive in addressing software failures. As enterprises become more reliant on AI-driven solutions, Signal's potential to automate and innovate in debugging practices might just pave the way for a new paradigm in software development and maintenance. Open source initiatives have become a key driver in artificial intelligence's rapid evolution, with NVIDIA at the forefront of groundbreaking collaborations such as the Open Secure AI Alliance. This alliance, involving over 30 prominent tech companies, plays a crucial role in prioritizing cybersecurity through the use and development of open AI models. By harnessing collective expertise, it aims to create a tapestry of robust frameworks that enhance AI safety and operational transparency. NVIDIA's efforts highlight a steadfast commitment to transparency and community-driven innovation. The company has released over 1,000 open-source projects on platforms such as GitHub, while making more than 500 AI models available on Hugging Face. These contributions are instrumental in addressing the industry's call for open-weight AI models, offering various tools and frameworks essential for managing and deploying AI applications securely and efficiently. The AI Workbench, another tool from NVIDIA, provides capabilities that significantly reduce the time required to adopt generative AI models within enterprises. By enabling customization and deployment of models, this toolkit empowers organizations to tailor solutions to specific needs, enhancing productivity and innovation. However, while open-source models accelerate development and democratize access, they also introduce potential security risks. Misuse of these technologies by malicious actors remains a significant concern, requiring ongoing vigilance and robust security measures. The balance between openness and security is indeed a contentious issue across the tech industry, exposing a philosophical divide between companies like NVIDIA, who champion openness, and others such as OpenAI and Anthropic, who are more reserved about sharing advanced AI technologies. For developers and organizations eager to contribute to and benefit from open-source AI, NVIDIA's repository at NVIDIA Open Source, opensource.nvidia.com/NUS, provides extensive resources. Enterprises can leverage the AI Workbench toolkit to customize generative models by following detailed documentation available on NVIDIA's developer blog, while Hugging Face offers a plethora of models for training and application accessible via Hugging Face Models. ht/huggingface.co/models. This open-source movement underscores its potential as a democratizing force in AI development. It fosters an environment rich in collaborative spirit, innovation, and collective knowledge, leading to the creation of robust, transparent AI solutions. As the industry continues to evolve, the value of open-source tools in leveling the playing field cannot be underestimated, allowing smaller companies to compete in an arena traditionally dominated by giants. Yet, it is crucial to navigate the ethical quandaries associated with increased openness. The potential for misuse, coupled with ongoing debates about accountability, spotlight the need for comprehensive frameworks that marry innovation with ethical oversight. As the era of open source AI continues to unfold, striking a balance between accessibility and responsibility will shape the future landscape of AI technologies. Advancements in evaluating AI agent skills are redefining how developers assess and improve AI performance. The introduction of counterfactual trace auditing offers a groundbreaking framework designed to systematically evaluate the impact of new skills on agent performance. By employing a methodology that aligns performance traces with and without specific skills, CTA provides developers with a nuanced view of how these skills affect agent proficiency across various tasks. This alignment allows for a more precise measurement, identifying behaviors that traditional evaluations might overlook. The significance of CTA is further highlighted by its application to the Claude model, where it was used to evaluate 49 software engineering tasks. These tests revealed significant gaps in current evaluation methodologies, making the case for more refined approaches. By uncovering previously undetected benchmarks, CTA allows developers to derive insights into AI performance that were not feasible before. This kind of detailed analysis represents a shift towards greater transparency and reliability in AI agent skill assessments. Technical drill downs reveal that CTA frames agent outputs into goal-directed phases, making it easier to conduct a detailed behavioral impact analysis. The framework segments performance data into annotations that highlight how specific skills influence outcomes. This structured approach enables developers to conduct structured comparisons of skill implementations, facilitating the identification of performance enhancements or deficiencies. To fully leverage CTA, developers can refer to detailed guides and utilize APIs that enhance observability and traceability. These tools are critical for improving the clarity of AI decision paths, tool usage, and interactions. They allow for a comprehensive view of how agents function autonomously, making the debugging of non-deterministic behaviors less daunting. However, the implementation of frameworks such as CTA must consider the trade-offs between efficiency and completeness. There is an ongoing debate about how to optimally balance these aspects while ensuring the assessments are both comprehensive and practicable. Moreover, CTA and similar frameworks require extensive validation across diverse scenarios to confirm their effectiveness in varied real-world applications. This necessity underscores the industry's demand for robust methodologies that can adapt to the evolving capabilities of AI agents. In summary, advances in AI agent evaluation through frameworks like CTA promise to enhance the accuracy and reliability of skill assessments. These developments are vital as AI becomes integral to enterprise environments, necessitating agents that are both effective and dependable. That's a wrap for today's episode of Daily AI Brief. From innovative frameworks and models to cost-cutting platforms and open-source advancements, AI continues to push boundaries and reshape industries. Stay tuned as we delve into more breakthroughs and developments, keeping you on the cutting edge of artificial intelligence.